candy lovers, I have breaking news. Mr. Candy and Snacks is now the official sponsor of Good Mood. Oo girl, isang kagat lang ng gamis, parang may nag-reset ng buhay mo. From stress to blast real quick. Itong gamis, chewy, fruity, and satisfying. Yung tipong habang ngumumuya ka, bigla ka na lang mapapa. Life is good. Ang sarap, parang built-in happy button. Tapos yung rolled bubble gum. Ay nako, ito yung pambansang throwback. Yung tipong iniikot mo pa lang, parang may background music na. Pag tinikman mo, ay, bubble agad na mas malaki pa sa energy mo pag payday. At syempre, candies. Sweet, colorful, and very pick me up. Perfect kapag antok ka na, gutom ka na, or bored. O gusto mo lang talaga ng legit na pampasaya. Isang candy, instant, yes Lord moment. Kaya kung gusto mo ng instant kilig, instant saya, instant hyper, Mr. Candy and Snacks ang bestie mo. Hindi lang ito candy pang tanggal bad vibes talaga.